Hello there. Thanks for joining us. What we're going to do in this video is find all the possible rational zeros of the polynomial 4x to the fourth minus 13x to the third plus 12x squared plus 9x minus 12. So remember, according to the rational root theorem, any rational zero is composed of a factor of the constant, so the factor of 12, over a factor of 4, and that could be plus or minus. So what we have to do is look at all the possible factors of 12 and all the possible factors of 4, and we perform all of those divisions to get the possible rational zeros. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, quite a bit there. And the possible factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. And again, positive or negative are possible. So when we list them all, we have to make sure that we put a plus or minus in front of each one. So let's start this off. So you have plus or minus. Well, all of the factors in the numerator could be divided by 1. So we're going to have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 12. So that takes care of everything with the ones. If it helps you, cross it out. We don't want to deal with that anymore. Okay, so then now we divide all the factors in the numerator by 2. So here's where things could get interesting. Now we could take 1 over 2, that's the first one in the numerator. Now we have 2 over 2, but that's 1, and that's already accounted for, so we don't want to write it again. That's a duplicate. So then we go to 3 over 2, that's new to us. And then we have 4 over 2, which is 2, that's already on the list. 6 over 2 is 3, which is already on the list, and 12 over 2 is 6, which again is already on the list. So then I'm going to mark off the 2 that we're all done with 2. So now we just have one more left to cover, and that's dividing everything by 4. So you have plus or minus 1 over 4, which is new to the list, so we'll add that. We have 2 over 4, which is 1/2, already on the list. We have 3 over 4, which is new to the list. And then we have 4 over 4, which is 1, already on the list. 6 over 4 is 3/2, which is already on the list. And 12 over 4, which is 3, which is also already on the list. So this list of numbers right here, there are many possible rational zeros. And how to know which one it is or which ones they are, we substitute to figure out which ones produce a value of 0. So this could be a long process. But these are all of the possible rational zeros via the rational root theorem.